Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the ASUS Vivobook F1504, X1504. To open this machine, you have to undo 10 Torx head screws. Insert a thin plastic tool in the top edges to open a gap, and then pry the sides. When that is done, pop the front. Use a lever tool to pry the rear. This device has a 42-watt-hour battery. To remove it, slide upwards the small metal shroud on top to release the battery connector. Wear gloves to avoid electrical zaps. Gently lift the connector by its sides with a plastic tool. After that, undo the 4 Phillips head screws that keep the battery in place. The capacity is enough for around 8 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the standard fan mode turned on in the My ASUS app. The Wi-Fi 6 card of our laptop is on the left of the fan. Depending on the processor model, you get 4 or 8 gigabytes of soldered RAM. Still, there is a SODIMM for dual-channel mode that is hidden below a plastic film. ASUS states that the slot fits up to 8 gigabytes of DDR4, 320 MHz RAM. However, since the CPU can support up to 96 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. For storage, there is just a single M.2 slot compatible with 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. The NVMe is equipped with a heat shield on top. The single fan cooling comprises one long heat pipe, a top-mounted heat sink, and a heat spreader.